Tonight, we are learning more details on what the Department of Social Services knew about 5-year-old Grayson O'Connor before his death in 2023. I recall his body was found in an alley near 10th and Grand in downtown Kansas City, November 27th. Police later confirmed he fell from a window on the 17th floor of an apartment building. Grayson's mother, Grayson O'Connor, now charged with endangering the welfare of a child.
But concerns remain over why more wasn't done after neighbors told KSHB 41 they were previously concerned for Grayson. We know the state had been called to the O'Connor's home.
Yeah, KSHB 41 reporter Sarah Plake went through the documents and learned the state received multiple calls regarding Grayson's well-being. Sarah.
That's right. The KSHB 41 team has been looking into this case since Grayson fell out of a downtown apartment building in 2023. And newly obtained records show that despite concerns about his welfare, the state's family-centered services case for Grayson was closed, and 2 weeks later, he died. KSHB 41 obtained a document from the state detailing each time the Missouri Department of Social Services came into contact with Grayson O'Connor and his mother, Grayson O'Connor. From 2017 to 2023, the state received 7 calls about Grayson's welfare. The final notification the state received regarding Grayson was on November 27th, 2023, when the 5-year-old fell out of his 17th floor apartment window. In that instance, the state found his mother neglected him. They did not come to that conclusion, however, in any other call. When KSHB 41 first started looking into Grayson's death, we talked to Missouri State Representative Aaron Crossley, who is also a licensed social worker.
I need to know what their plans are, what they've already got in place.
We talked to him again, and he looked over the state's list.
So it wasn't just like this happened in a vacuum and a couple days later the most tragic thing that happened. It was a systemic failure that could have been warded off a long time before Grayson's death.
DSS first opened a case in 2017. According to the agency, Grayson's mom, Corinne, had unstable housing and prior drug problems. Several other calls came in about her allegedly screaming at Grayson, leaving him at an intersection, getting into a physical fight with somebody in front of him, having little food at the apartment, and her feeling overwhelmed about taking care of him. In some of these instances, Children's Division offered services, but they couldn't get in touch with Corinne, or she denied them.
They should have stuck with it. Just because a family is not engaging with the process doesn't mean that that is the time for the state to step back. That should be a time for them to step in more.
The list the state provided doesn't have exact dates, but we know in 2023 the state received 3 hotline calls. Then on November 9th of that year, Grayson's case was closed, quote, due to mother's failure to progress and unwillingness to continue services. 2 weeks later, Grayson died.
There was a failure to escalate the case despite a pattern of harm in the child's life.
The new director of DSS, Jessica Back, said she provided this information in an effort to increase transparency. Following Grayson's death, Back said DSS reviewed its family services cases, provided more training for its staff, and is working on more supervisor accountability. I will note, though, that we didn't get any of the actual reports from Grayson's file, just that list that the state compiled. I've requested his file in its entirety. I'm Sarah Plake, KSHB 41 News.